8 raised to the power x plus 8 raised to the power x is equal to 64. Find the value of x. Here 8 raised to the power x is common, so we can write 8 raised to the power x parenthesis 8 raised to the power x divided by 8 raised to the power x is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 64, or 8 raised to the power x times 2 is equal to 64. Let's divide both the side by 2. 2 and 2 here gets cancelled, and 2 times 32 is 64. Now 8 raised to the power x is equal to 32. 8 we can write it as 2 raised to the power 3, then whole raised to the power x, and 32 we can write it as 2 raised to the power 5. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So this is 2 raised to the power 3x is equal to 2 raised to the power 5. Again there is a rule, if a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n and a is not equal to 0 or 1, here a is 2, in that case m is equal to n. Exponents are equal, that means 3x is equal to 5, or we divide both the sides by 3, x is equal to 5 upon 3. Now let's verify this answer. 8 raised to the power 5 upon 3 plus 8 raised to the power 5 upon 3, it should be equal to 64. We have to check. 8 again you can write it as 2 raised to the power 3 times 5 upon 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3 times 5 upon 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32 plus 32 is equal to 64. Answer is verified. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 3. This is the answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.